Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of custom extrusions with AGS-TECH, your ultimate one-stop source for all things manufacturing. Whether it's plastic, metal, or anything in between, AGS-TECH has got your back. Imagine you have a brilliant idea. AGS-TECH takes that idea and transforms it into reality. From the initial design to the final product, their comprehensive approach means you get everything done under one roof. Talk about convenience, right? Now let's talk about extrusion. It's a fascinating process where materials are pushed through a mold to create long shapes like pipes or profiles. AGS-TECH excels in this, offering custom solutions tailored to your exact needs. Whether you need intricate designs or high-volume production, they've got it covered. What sets AGS-TECH apart? Their global reach means they can source materials competitively and deliver faster than you'd expect. Plus, their diverse capabilities ensure they can handle any challenge thrown their way. Need custom labeling? They do that too. Let's take a closer look at their process. First, their expert team collaborates with you to create a detailed design. Then they move on to prototyping, bringing your concept to life. After rigorous testing and quality checks, they kick off full-scale production. Finally, your custom extruded products are packaged and shipped, ready for use. It's a seamless journey from concept to reality. But don't just take my word for it. AGS-TECH's commitment to quality, competitive pricing, and timely delivery has made them a trusted partner for businesses worldwide. They're not just manufacturers, they're problem solvers dedicated to your success. So if you're looking to streamline your manufacturing process and get top-notch custom extrusions, head over to www.agstech.net. Let AGS-TECH bring your ideas to life better, faster, and smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.